2026 BYD Electric RV is reshaping the way we think about travel, sustainability, and luxury, all in one revolutionary package. Known for pushing the boundaries of electric mobility, BYD has taken a bold step into the recreational vehicle market with a model that combines the freedom of the open road with the responsibility of zero-emission travel. This new electric RV isn't just an upgrade from traditional campers, it's a complete reinvention designed for the future-conscious traveler who doesn't want to compromise on comfort, performance, or environmental impact. At first glance, the sleek design of the 2026 BYD Electric RV catches your eye. It doesn't look like a conventional RV, and that's intentional. The aerodynamic body features flowing lines and smooth edges, reducing drag and improving efficiency on long drives. Integrated solar panels line the roof, contributing supplementary power and extending battery range. Smart lighting elements, flush door handles, and retractable steps enhance both the aesthetic and the functionality. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling piece of tech-forward architecture built for both city streets and remote destinations. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, is BYD's next-gen Blade battery system. Known for its safety, durability, and energy density, this new version offers up to 500 miles of real-world driving range on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities allow an 80% recharge in under 30 minutes, which is incredibly convenient for road trippers. The RV is equipped with dual electric motors, providing all-wheel drive and making it capable of handling rugged terrains without compromising smooth highway performance. Whether you're traversing mountain roads or cruising down coastal highways, the 2026 BYD RV adapts seamlessly to the environment. Inside, the experience is nothing short of futuristic luxury. Step into the cabin, and you're welcomed by a spacious, minimalist interior crafted from sustainable materials. The RV sleeps 4 comfortably, featuring a convertible lounge area, a queen-sized retractable bed, and even a secondary bunk-style arrangement. The kitchenette is fully electric, outfitted with an induction stove, smart fridge, and a compact dishwasher. A water purification system ensures safe, drinkable water wherever you go, and the compact bathroom includes a water-efficient shower and composting toilet. Every inch of the interior has been optimized for space, storage, and sustainability. Technology plays a central role in the overall user experience. A central touchscreen console integrates navigation, entertainment, energy management, and smart home functions into one intuitive interface. Voice controls and gesture commands add a layer of convenience, especially useful while driving or when your hands are full. The RV also features Level 3 autonomous driving for highway travel, giving drivers the option to relax and take in the scenery. Over-the-air updates keep the software fresh, and BYD's own travel assistant platform helps plan routes, book campsites, and monitor weather conditions in real time. Another impressive aspect is the RV's off-grid capability. With a solar array that produces up to 5 kilowatts and a high-capacity battery bank, the RV can sustain itself without external power for days. It includes energy-efficient HVAC systems, LED lighting throughout, and a smart inverter for powering external devices. This means you can truly go off the beaten path without sacrificing modern conveniences, making it ideal for digital nomads, adventurers, and eco-conscious families. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The RV comes equipped with 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. It also features an advanced fire suppression system tailored for the battery compartment, ensuring maximum security for long-haul trips. Combined with BYD's proven track record in electric safety technology, this RV delivers peace of mind as well as performance. The 2026 BYD Electric RV is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle choice that reflects a commitment to innovation, comfort, and ecological responsibility. It redefines what it means to travel freely in the modern world, opening doors to new experiences without leaving a heavy footprint behind. Whether you're chasing sunsets across the country or setting up camp beneath the stars, this is the RV that promises to take you there, with zero emissions and maximum style.